Meet Big Dave, a man powered by gravy, regret, and questionable food choices. This is Dave Eats, the worst food review channel on YouTube. No stars, no standards, just sweat and sodium. Today, Dave waddles into Good Times neighborhood bar and restaurant in Woodstock, Ontario. A New Orleans-inspired joint serving bowl flavors and bigger portions. Naturally, Dave orders a French dip because if there's meat swimming in juice, he's diving in head first. Will the sandwich survive? Will the suspension make it? Will Dave finally reach his sodium level? Let's find out.
All right, Big Dave. Woodstock, Ontario. Looks like they're doing some work down here. We're going to try a new place. It's been open about 3 months. Good Times. The grand opening is actually tomorrow. Now we're going here for lunch. It's on a Friday. If you go to this place, you want to keep in mind that they're only open on Fridays for lunch. They open for dinner the rest of the week. A little construction going on down here. All right, here we go. We're going in.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks.
How are you? Quite a place, eh?
Yeah, not too bad.
This your place?
I'm the manager.
Are you? Quite cool. You guys have been open about 3 months now?
3 months tomorrow. We're actually doing our grand opening tomorrow.
Yes, I saw that on Facebook actually.
Yeah.
I thought I'd better come down and try the date too because it's a Friday, you know. and
Oh,
I can do it
yeah.
during the day, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Excellent.
All right.
Perfect.
Okay, cool.
Can I get food to go?
You sure can.
Awesome.
I will grab your menu.
No worries.
Bartender set you up.
Super, thank you. You know, I probably don't need a menu. Just
Oh,
give
yeah.
me the best thing on the menu to go. Whatever you think's the best
Best thing on the menu to go.
Absolutely.
That's tough.
Is that tough?
Yeah,
Well, you
like-
had 3 months to figure it out.
No, I know, but like honestly, like people rave about everything on the menu.
Really, eh?
Yeah.
Well, you must have a favorite.
I think if I had to name a favorite, I would probably say the French quarter dip, like the beef
Yeah.
dip.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's
with,
the one for me.
With gravy on the side for fries.
Well, you got to have the gravy, right? We are Canadian.
Oh yeah, and our gravy is like outstanding.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's what I'll have.
All right, there we go.
Alright, so $23.73. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's right here.
Oh, sorry.
The fact that you can hit that note is impressive. You should have a little bit of practice.
Oh my god, get out of here. You're on film, you know that?
Wouldn't be the first time I've been censored.
Oh, jeez.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Thank you. I'm very
Enjoy.
excited. Have a great day.
See you.
Oh, watch yourself. All right, let's go try this out. Welcome back, Dave Eats. Today we're in Woodstock at Good Times. Now this place is pretty new. I don't know if it was called the same name before. There was obviously a restaurant in there once before. Huge place, more of a bar. If you want to go there for lunch like I did, you can only go on Fridays because, well, Fridays is the only day they open up for lunch. More of a bar, but they open up for dinner. We're in, sorry, there's a lot of trucks going by here. The Dundas is right here. But we're in Standard Tube Park. I assume that's like a inner tube? I don't know. And well, we're gonna try this place out. I'm very excited. They make everything in-house here. They said their freezer's practically empty. You know, the only thing they have in there is sweet potato fries maybe. Everything else they make, the fries are fresh cut. The beef is roasted, sliced. The gravy is made from the beef drippings. I'm pretty excited. We asked the manager what his favorite dish was. We asked several people, but they had a hard time coming up with it. They said everything's great, but they came up with the beef dip. It's his favorite. Let's let's get it out and have a look at this sucker. Love when they put a nice little note in the box, don't you? Okay. Okay, you know, I have attempted to take some pictures without Lucinda here. We'll see how they turn out, but let's try the fries out first because they're fresh cut, they tell me. They're fine. They're seasoned a little bit. They're fresh cut. How can they be no good? Alright, so we did get gravy for the fries as well as au jus for it. They tell me they make their own gravy. They tell me it's great. And they know I'm all about the gravy, so they must know me a little bit. Let's try this gravy out. The cling is pretty good. It's not like water. You know, some people might like it a little thicker, but let's try it first. There's no denying that's homemade gravy. And it's good. You know, you get the little ripple on top, you know, that kind of stays there, so you know it's thick enough. Oh, and they give you a lot. That's delicious. All right, so it's the beef dip we're here for. Let's get a cross section.
Cross section.
All right, now it's toasted. It has cheese on it. The cheese is melted on it, almost like a garlic bread with cheese. It has those crispy onions. This is a little, you know, this isn't your basic French dip. Let's try it out. The bread is fresh and delicious. There's, you know, the cheese is nice on there. And you get just, you know, a little bit of crunch from those onions. Let's try the au jus. Okay, dip time. Oh, I lost a little beef in there. I'm going to have to fish that out later. Oh, it's good. The roast beef is fresh. It's tender. It's meaty. It's delicious. The au jus is also delicious. The fries are good. Everything seems to be great here. $23, well, maybe on the pricey side, maybe not. They make smash burgers here as well. They make mozzarella sticks that are like bricks, I guess. They're huge. So many things I wanted to try out here, but hey, I can only eat so much, so let us know. If you go here, let us know what you've tried. Hit the like button, comment below, subscribe, share. Look for us next time. I'm Big Dave, and this is Dave Eats. Big Dave!